Hey, do you ever think what is the meaning of life? Do you know life is like a river and we are traveling by using boat. In this journey we try to find peace. So whatever we do or we try to find, we need peace in our valuable life. In every ages we try to find peace. Viewers, I used almost 1200 piece of boat and named these installation art migration in 21st century. Greetings everyone, Rohman Vijay is here, so let's start this video. Basically you will find so many artists, those who create installation art with boat. Just pause these things and you will find it in description box. Now we will check out what is installation art. Let's check the story behind boat. So basically this is a metaphor of my main presentation of installation artwork. Here I create almost 1200 boats. 28th February 4 am. Installation preparation ongoing. Just take a look. So it's take almost 6 days to create all these 1200 boats. Here this is the place where we will install our boat. At first I took almost every single piece of boat here. Then I create a peace symbol. Basically I describe all the things about peace, how I feel and what is our journey experience. So I mark this place as a peace symbol and then I try to draw it. You can see this whole thing in this video. So at first I try to make a round shape by using boats. You know, every single boats is a visibility of a human being or a person who try to create any kind of journey in his life. In this time he gained all type of experience. So as I told you before and showed you guys what is installation art, it is a larger scale of a three-dimensional art. Anything will be converted in installation art. You will just need a good quality of idea that connect with your materials and the composition and your landscape and also what you want to describe about your theme or your idea or method, whatever. So this is very easy process. You will find this peace symbol in internet or Google, anywhere else. So basically peace is really important part in our life. Whatever we do, we earn money or travel anywhere else or live with our parents, family members or friends, we need just peace, and this peace is very valuable for us. You know, some of my friends also interact with my artworks and we represent it all over university and we take some good quality of shots. You know, at first I marked this place, then I put this circle, and after that I try to bold with this white color boat. These boats are created from origami style format. This is not our Bangladeshi boat or whatever we say our culture. Now I will show you concept and artwork plan. So here I was use old A4 size paper for origami boat and I arranged almost every single piece of board with this peace symbol you can see in this video. So it's make really a good sense for anyone who want to see this installation artwork. Anybody will easily connect with this because he will understand. In spite of doing this, I also try to understand and read this nature because nature is really important for us. So I used paper here. You know, this paper color was white then and the mud color was really dry and browny, so it would create a good contrast between the ground and object. So this was really necessary for anybody who try to connect. Now I will show you some good quality of drone. If you have larger scale artwork, then you will definitely need a bird's eye view, so drone is very necessary for you. Here we have the drone pilot. So thanks my team who took this amazing drone shoot for me and conducted with my artwork. In this drone footage you will see how our pilot really tried to do this stuff. So let's back to the work. So if you have a plan or idea, you will definitely need a concept behind your work, and without this your artwork will be not eligible for display. So in this overall view of installation art, you have to recognize some key points. If you have installation artwork, you will need to interact with people, as you can see in this video.
তো ছবিও ওকে ভিডিও ইন্টারনেটে দিয়ে দেওয়া লাগে ওটা হচ্ছে না ভিডিও আছে খুলে খুলে বাঁচাও কা ভিডিও কি হচ্ছে এই তুমি হেঁটে গেলে
So viewers, installation artwork is really a good advantage to connect with people, interact with them, and also your expression of your thoughts and materials technique, the landscape, the composition and perspective, and you will also share your idea with a large volume, as much place as you want. So overall this is really a good setup for anybody who want to do installation artwork. In this video I just try to show my experience, how I do this installation artwork in my master's class. So this is a demo for anybody who want to do this type of artwork. You will find some more information in YouTube, but this is a basic primary form of installation artwork. So stay connected with some more video. Until then, thanks again everyone to stay with me and subscribe my channel.